Presenting everyone mature in Christ. Good morning, family. See, let me share something powerful in Colossians chapter 1, 28 to 29. Paul says, "Him we preach, warning everyone and teaching everyone, that we may present everyone perfect or mature in Christ. For this I labor, striving according to his working, which works in me mightily." See, did you notice something? He says everyone 3 times. He says warning everyone, teaching everyone, and presenting everyone mature. The question is why? The reason why is because the gospel is not for a spiritual elite. It is not for one race. It is not for the educated only. It is for everyone. See, according to Adventist theology, this connects to our global mission, the everlasting gospel, going to every nation, tribes, tongues, and people. But Paul's focus goes deeper. He is not just trying to get people baptized. He is trying to present them mature in Christ. See, friends, maturity means character formed, faith tested, and Christ reflected in daily life. Ellen White wrote that Christ is waiting for his character to be perfectly reproduced in his people. That is maturity. See, friends, and notice something else. Paul says, "I labor, striving," but then he says, "according to his working in me." See, here is the balance. We strive, but it is Christ who supplies the power. We cooperate, but he transforms. So the question is not, are you in church? The question is, are you growing into maturity in Christ? Because, friends, the goal of the gospel is not just conversion, but, friends, it is transformation. And God's desire is to present everyone mature in him. God bless.